to the place that we will joining for the water sport. It is the beaches area, we call it Tanjung Benua. Yeah? So Tanjung Benua is very near to the well-known beach resort, we call it Nusa Dua. Just only about Nusa Dua, yeah? Just like maybe 5-7 minutes from Nusa Dua to the south. Okay, so basically for water sport, people sometimes they prepare maybe at this time, probably for those of you are really wanted to enjoy others than two activity, I let you to talk with them, and also maybe I try to help, maybe if I can do something for you, yeah, especially for the price, because normally that the price is actually is a negotiable. So the price actually you can do pay by dollar, by Indian rupee also, yeah, and by rupiah. And I think the price they will be offered by rupiah. Even you see on the list they put the US dollar. Okay, and then all the activity is actually compulsory to you to wearing the life jacket, yeah? Especially for those of you doing for the banana boat. Yeah? So when you join banana boat, it's actually compulsory. All of you have to wearing the the life jacket. And then for the other activity that we call it the Turtle Island, yeah, Turtle Island in glass, but the boat is actually that the life jacket is already provided in the boat as well. Okay, and then other activity normally that depends, like parasailing compulsory to wearing the life jacket, jet ski also, flyboard even, yeah. And then only thing that you do the underwater, no need the life jacket. Okay, so if for those of you are really wanted to do the underwater, yeah, maybe later we just let you to choose. If you want some challenge, maybe you can try the scuba diving. So remember that the swimming is not required. Yeah, swimming is not required. And then only forbidden for those of you who would like to enjoy for the underwater. Remember, for those of you asthmatic, yeah, and then the epilepsy, and then the women during pregnant. Yeah, women during pregnant, I think it's a bit dangerous if you do this the underwater. Yeah. Minute then we go to the place that we call it Uluwatu. Yeah, this is Uluwatu, is a mandir temple, and then the timing that we are spent in Uluwatu is probably until maybe 6. So after that we go down then to GWK. So for the dress, when we go to mandir, actually that the dress is no problem. You can wear short, long, should be no problem. The only thing when you enter to the place, we will provide to all the people enter. They provide two things. One is lungi, sarung we call it, and the other one selendang or scarf. So those of you wearing the short pant, compulsory to you to wearing sarung or lungi. Yeah, it's the same, women and men also. Yeah, and then those of you wearing the long pant, you only need to put the scarf on your body. This is actually is a part of our culture, because our culture when we do some pray, even in our house, simple, we're just wearing sarung or scarf. And all the tradition is actually when we do pray, we are not able to do that. We call it the short fan. So we have to cover our leg. Yeah. Okay, this is our Balinese tradition. Well, temple in Bali is actually we have like name of the island. Yeah, island of the thousands of temple. Because you can see that the temple may be similar to India. You can find temple every corner, every junction, of course every house. So in Bali, the temple in general, that the temple we divided the thing between 4 category. Yeah? So first category that the people call it the genealogical temple. Yeah? So in the past when Bali still during the kingdom time, yeah, that Bali also using that we call it caste system. Yeah, it's a caste system. And then people only using those Balinese Hindu same bloodline or same genetic. Yeah, especially Brahmin, they have temple. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, they have their own temple. Yeah? So this is the location of this temple. But unfortunately we are not going there. Then we call it Besakih temple or Mother temple. each of the caste system, they have their own temple over there. Okay, and then the second category of the genealogical temple that the people call it is the territory. Territory is an area. Maybe yesterday, those of you remember, in our village, at least we have 3 temples. For this, for Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. So here we call it Shiva. In maybe in India you call it Mahesh, and here we call it Shiva. So one temple for Brahma and Vishnu, mostly located in the middle part of the village, and then Shiva temple is located a little bit out. They are not together. Okay, and then the other temple in category, that is the people in Bali, we call it functional. Its category is meaning is special. We call it this farming area, like those rice mill. There is one temple in the middle. This is to worship. Dewi Sri or Dewi Uma here is a representative of the Sri Lakshmi. People call it is Dewi Sri. Sri in meaning in our definition, Sri is a rice goddess or prosperity goddess also. And then those profession as a trader in our market. In our market, in the middle of the market, there is one of the temple to worship. We call it even of Sri Lakshmi, prosperity goddess also. So remember, this is the 2 different profession, farmer and trader. And then number 4 category, that the people we call it is public state temple. Of course it's public, like the temple that we have visit after the water sport, Uluwatu temple. And then tomorrow also we have chance to visit Tanah Lot. This is public in meaning this temple are using by those Balinese Hindu for pray. So we are not distinguished because of bloodline, because of profession, and because of the territory. So this is in meaning of this temple in Bali. We have 4 different categories. Remember, genealogical, same people have the bloodline or same genetic, and then territory is an area where here is a village, and then functional, this is for those people have profession, especially farmer and trader. And then the last one that we call it public. Okay, that's on the right side. It's a GWK. Statue will be visited by today as well. After the Uluwatu. So that's we also call it the cultural park. Cultural park, because since long time that the project was start initiative by our second president, Mr. Suharto. It was in 1990. So the groundbreaking was 1992. And then after 6 years, I think we have big problem in Indonesia, in Southeast Asia at the time, was a financial crisis. I think maybe those of you remember 1998, Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, at time also South Korea, we have a big financial crisis. So in Indonesia, governor actually is a province, the leader of the province. So in Indonesia, for the whole country, we have 34 provinces. So it meaning Indonesia election for 34 governor. Now they do at the same time. I think this is really spend time for our government. So this year especially 2024. So in May we already choose for the president and parliament. Now October we choose all the province. I think we do election for governor. This is the system. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so it is yesterday, 2 days ago, I was mentioned about those, we call it luxury resort complex. That's we call it under Indonesian Tourism Development Corporation. We call it ITDC. 14 resort they are in one complex. So all the resort there are 5-star. So in Bali or Indonesia government, we are host of the event of international. Indonesian government always put in Bali because In Jakarta is totally different, totally very complicated, because in Jakarta the traffic, the traffic is very complicated also. So I think during this last 3 period of the president, Indonesia, we are, I think is 2014, we are host of the APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Council. That time more than 52 leaders are coming here to Bali. That time US under President Barack Obama and Russia is under Vladimir Putin. They all come here. And it APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Council. And then also G20. So G20 last 2 years before India. Okay, and then this is now that we are in, this is entering this area, we call it Tanjung Benua, as a place of our water sport activity. And also in this area, is a few of the place here as a resort. Okay, and then maybe later you can see some of the signboard mentioned about, like right inside, those are mentioned about the water sport activity.